Hey everyone, welcome back to Primepicks. Today, we're diving into the top 5 thermal pastes of 2024. Let's get straight into it. Starting off at number 5, we have the Arctic MX6. This carbon-based thermal paste not only comes at a great price point, but also delivers a 20% increase in performance compared to its predecessor, the MX4. Coming in at number 4, we have the Naku NTA1. This ceramic-based compound boasts a remarkable feature. It can keep your temperatures down for a solid 5 years post-application. Plus, with a 3-year shelf life, it's a reliable pick for the long haul. Taking the third spot is the Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut liquid metal thermal paste. This metal-based paste comes with all the necessary tools for a hassle-free installation. Just remember, a clean CPU is key for optimal performance. At number 2, we have the Arctic MX5. While it doesn't directly replace the beloved MX4, it introduces a new formulation catering to enthusiasts, promising top-notch performance. And finally, clinching the top spot is the Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut. Known for its mild viscosity and excellent stability, it's a breeze to work with while ensuring minimal mess. That wraps up our list of the top 5 thermal pastes of 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Primepicks content.